MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Come get your hands on this 2009 Western Star 4900 SF on the lot at MHC Denver. A 475 horsepower, 18-speed, flat roof, classic truck here. It's got power, it's versatile. It sits at 390,000 on the miles with 13K fronts, 46K rears, and a 228-inch wheelbase. With 24.5 standards, polished for you, and dual 100-gallon fuel tanks. Your engine, a Cat C15 with that Fuller 18-speed transmission. Your interior cleans up really nice. The sleeper, it works for you, and the dash shines. If you want this truck, a 2009 Western Star 4900 SF, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.